Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umindirang ba ka Jilau Konrad ki Sangma, hatap kondai trip unai lur aratar apusan, Plie Paidbah, ya ke anti-terror squad, bat ya ke SSP conference, ha police headquarter, bat Plie Paidbah ru iki kali mobile forensic crime sinet unit. Haga jim Plie Paidbah iki nigi Islam terekam, bat iki kali bukong sanjong katanat pulit ke Jela, masa kilang du sembut mirang ba obakmi ya katanat kampo ye ba Preston Tensong, ka Director General of Police kong ida si Chanong rang bat kiwi-kiwi ki he pulit, bagi ke officer ke Sol ka Jela.
In-house Paidbah Police.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.